Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of months, I have been posting some videos about the fact that Microsoft Edge for Desktop is almost becoming its own operating system, calling some videos and titling some videos Edge OS, because there seems to be so many features now that are rolling out to Edge that it almost seems that it's becoming to some extent its own OS. Now, in regards to the desktop browser, Edge OS becoming its own operating system, it seems that we may be getting another feature in that regard called EdgePhoto, or the photo viewer, which is now available in Microsoft Edge Canary version 116, which rolled out with one of the latest updates to this latest preview version of the desktop browser. And this EdgePhoto or photo viewer feature can be enabled in Edge Canary using a command line flag. It's not a default feature. It's still very early days. So this is a very unstable and so-called buggy feature. But nonetheless, we can use a command line flag to enable the feature if you'd like to test it out and give or take get a feel of what this feature could be like in its early kind of preview version of the feature before and if Microsoft does roll it out to an up-and-coming stable version. So to enable the photo viewer and the Edge Photo feature in Edge Canary, we right-click on any shortcut available for the Edge Canary browser. So that would be a shortcut in your start menu, your desktop, your task bar, like in my case. And just take note, we right-click on that, we click on Properties, and we have to enter this command line flag, which, by the way, I'll leave a link to down below. That's quite a mouthful, and you can just copy and paste that in like I am for easy access and reference. That will be linked below this video. Now, to enable the command line flag here in the target field, what we do, and as I featured previously on the channel, we need to make sure that after the .exe quotation marks, you leave a space and just delete anything that is after .exe quotation marks. So if there is any other text there, just delete it. And then you leave a space and you paste in the command line flag. So make sure that after .exe quotations, you have a space. Because if that space is not there, then this command line flag will not work. You click on Apply. Okay. And then you'll have to, in most cases, close down Edge Canary and then relaunch the browser. And now you'll see, if I head to a folder that has some images in it, and I'm just going to use this folder as an example, and I drag any image into the browser, the photo viewer feature now is applied, and as they are calling it, Edge Photo. And here we can see to the right-hand side, we get the contents of the actual folder. And if we click on this button at the bottom, there's a pop-out button which opens images in a dedicated window without the browser's UI. So here we can see that acts now as its own photo viewer and acts independently of the actual browser UI. So just to demonstrate again, Edge Photo, there we go, and it is independent now of the actual browser frame. Now, as mentioned previously at the start of this video, this is a very buggy feature. And it's very unstable because it's very early days. I mean, it's not even an official feature yet in Edge Canary. And I have clicked on some of these other images just to try and experiment if they also open. But at this stage, it's actually just crashing Edge Canary and the browser just crashes and closes automatically. And if you want to obviously remove the command line flag and put everything back to how it was previously, you just head back to your Microsoft Edge Canary shortcut. You click on Properties, and then you just delete everything that you entered. That's anything before or after .exe quotations. You just delete the command line flag, and then you close your browser, relaunch it, and that will reapply the so-called normal state to the browser. So, as mentioned, Edge Photo, or the photo viewer as some are calling it, now available for testing in Edge Canary. And at this stage, though, it's not known if this will ever make it to the so-called light of day in the stable version. But obviously, if it does become an official feature and any more news becomes available, I will let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.